In this video tutorial, we'll cover how to use the Scene Blender feature of the Flic Twist. Now, when using Scene Blender, you'll be presented with 4 entirely different scenes, one at the 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock marks. For example, you could have a morning scene, a bright day scene, a cozy evening scene, and finally, a warm nighttime scene. Then by pushing and twisting, not only can you easily set your scenes, but Twist will beautifully blend and fade to your next scene so that you get an abundance of moods in between each of your scenes. To use this action, you need to first connect your Twist to a Flic hub. Find out how in the tutorial how to set up a hub with a Twist. But once connected, choose your Twist from the Flic app and select either the Twist or the Push and Twist trigger by pressing the respective plus icon. Select the Scene Blender option, which is located underneath the Advanced submenu. There are 4 triggers available for Scene Blender. Each one is named based on their position, resembling a clock, for example 12 and 3 o'clock. There are 2 different things that you can choose to control with each trigger, and in this device, for example, the lights of your living room. Then, you can also assign actions to the devices you want to control, such as lowering your blinds at the same time. Let's look at an example. Now we're setting up the 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock trigger points to blend from an afternoon to a night mode. Let's start with the 6 o'clock point. Once you are in the Scene Blender menu configuration, press the 6 o'clock point. Press the plus symbol on the right hand side of the screen and add the light you wish to control. If it's your first time using this light, you will first need to set it up. Follow the instructions shown on screen. Once added, you will be able to customize the color, saturation, and brightness to a bright mode, for example. Press done so the action is saved. You can also cue your favorite morning playlist when the Twist is on the 6 o'clock point. Choose Actions and select the device you want to control. In this case, we will choose Sonos. Press Playlist and select the playlist you want to start at the 6 o'clock point. Tap Add and now your action is saved. Then, follow the same process for the 9 o'clock point, so the lights are dimming into a night mode, and your Sonos speakers turns off. Once you have everything set up, you will be able to seamlessly blend between modes.